Hello, and welcome back to our 10 quick tips to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. This is a super quick tip on how to rename your chats. And this is important to do because it will help you to find things, remember what it was about if you rename them yourself, because ChatGPT will name it, but it's going to name it something that makes sense to it, whereas you want to make sense to you. So in my last video, I shared this catnip topic. And let's say I was writing on this topic for my blog in January. Well, this is what ChatGPT named it, but I want to name it January blog. So I remember that it is the January blog and then it's the effects of catnip. Notice after I renamed it, it bumped it to the top. So if you're renaming something that's further down, be aware that it is going to bump it to the top of your chats. If you'd like to see more of our content in the future, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive notifications. If you need a little extra help learning about ChatGPT and how to leverage it for your marketing, visit technologytherapy.com to partner up with a mentor who can walk you through step by step.